Hi everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you how to use this kneaded eraser. This one here is by Cretacolor, but no matter which brand you buy, most of the packaging would come like this. It'll probably be in different colors maybe, but otherwise this is how it is. It's called as a kneaded eraser, kneadable eraser. In India, it's also called as a Patti eraser. So there are different names of the same thing. So it will come in the shape of a rectangle mostly, and it will be slightly soft when you touch the packaging. And today I'll show you how to use it. So let me first open this, and then I'll show you how we go about it. So the packaging of this is actually really nice because there is one more layer of plastic around this. Normally in some other brands I've seen that, once you open the outside packaging, it's directly the eraser. So what happens with that also is sometimes it dries up really fast inside if you don't get like the latest stock. So I like that they've got another packaging over here. So I'm now removing the top layer. Don't worry about these. It's okay if that goes away. So as the name goes, you literally have to knead the eraser before you use it. So like your regular eraser, you can't just take this and then erase on a piece of paper. Please don't do that. What you will have to do is press. It'll be pretty soft. In case yours is not very soft, it means something has gone wrong with the eraser and you might need to replace it. So what I do is I knead it. I fold it nicely, so it's still sticky. You'll notice that it is a little sticky. You can see, I don't know if you can hear the sound, but then this is the sound of it sticking to my hand. And you can also see it's breaking up over here. So this requires a good amount of kneading, maybe like, a couple of minutes of it. Just, probably when you're watching some TV or you're just bored and you're like mindlessly trying to knead it, then please do that. You don't necessarily have to take specific time out for this. It's also, I think, good exercise for your fingers. So all you need to do is knead it really well and it'll all come together and then you use it. So mostly these kneadable erasers are used when you're doing watercolor painting because they don't leave a residue of your pencil marks. And also like the eraser dust. Mainly it's the eraser dust residue which is not left in this particular eraser, so it's really good. Like your regular eraser, it's not that strong where it completely removes your pencil marks, so it helps to make it lighter. So what I normally do is if I have a piece of drawing and I just like knead it like this and then go over the paper this way. I'll show you a small demo. This is almost ready. It gets better over time. So you can just not bother about it breaking into pieces. You can even break it into smaller pieces and use it if you want to. But I prefer to use it like this. So let me just show you on a piece of paper how the kneadable eraser works. So let's say I have this paper and if I'm making a painting of a pot, some of my lines are thick, dark, some of my lines are pretty light, so I'm just going to have like a mix of it. So let's say I want to paint this, but I don't want it to be so dark, so I'm just going to run this between my fingers and go over my drawing. You can see it starts to get lighter. You can also use it directly if you want on it, and it doesn't remove it completely, but it really helps you in watercolor painting. So that way it is one of the perfect things to have. And you saw there is absolutely no residue. To show that difference, I'm going to use a regular eraser also in the side and show you how much of the dust can be left over. Let's say there's this and I use a regular eraser and you can see how much of eraser dust is there. So even if I try to like remove it, there is a high possibility that some of these dust might remain in my painting and it'll kind of spoil the painting when I'm making it. Hence it's not advisable to use your regular eraser for your paintings. Please go ahead and get this Patti eraser. It's also a little inexpensive. It's not very expensive. I think it's about, in INR, it's anywhere between 40 rupees to 60 rupees is what you get. So it's a good idea to get this. It lasts forever. I really find this very handy. I've been using Patti razors for about 20 years right now, and I have never looked back. So I hope this unboxing and tutorial was useful for you. Do leave your comments in the comment section over here, and if you're new to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.